Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Mi Watch Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to customize the widgets on this device. First, let me show you what I mean by widgets, or what the widgets are. To do it, simply press the side button to wake up the screen on your watch, like this, and then you can swipe left or right on the screen to scroll through the widgets. We have the widgets right here. We have widgets like heart rate, sleep data, weather, calories, and music. And we can customize these widgets. To do it, open the XIAOMI Wear app on your phone, then tap on Profile. Here scroll down, tap on Additional Settings, and then select Manage Widgets. And here we have the list of widgets. As you can see, we have heart rate, sleep, weather, activities, and music. We can hide, for example, hide one of those or hide all of them. To do it, press and hold on the sort button next to the widget, for example, music, and then drag it to the hidden items list, like this. And now the music should disappear from the list of widgets, so let's go through it. And as you can see, the music is gone. You can also change the order on the list. For example, heart rate is first now when you swipe to the left. Let's move it to the second last position. And now when we swipe left on the screen, as you can see, first is sleep, then weather, and then heart rate. You can also unhide the items or the widgets by pressing and holding on sort button next to one, and then dragging it back to the list above, like this. And now when you go through widgets, you should see music. As you can see, here it is. And that's how you customize the widgets on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.